Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue our tenses. Here today I am going to talk about past continuous tense. So let's start. We form the past continuous tense with the structure is past continuous tense, past tense of be. Be means was and verb plus a verb and plus ing form. For example, were you listening to the radio at 9 last night? This is the example of past continuous tense. Here, where shows that it's a question form of past continuous tense. Listening is the ing form, and this is all about past continuous tense. And here, this is a question: were you listening to the radio at 9 last night? And its answer is no, I was not. The question is in past form, that's why answer is also in past form, past continuous form. Okay, here affirmative play. Okay, we are going to make examples with play. For example, I, for I we use was is used with I, and was is also used with he, she, it. And for plural subjects and for you, they and we will use were. Okay, I was playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing, you were playing, they were playing. That's all about. Next, I was is used with I. Okay, I was playing, you are playing. This is interrogative. Okay, play intro. We here we are making examples with play, and interrogative form is I was playing, you were playing, and negative form is I was not playing, you were not playing, he was not playing, was he playing, and that's all. Here some of the uses of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action that was in progress at specific time in past. Means it is used for an action that was used at specific time. Shows progress in past. Okay. For example, Mary was working at 10 yesterday. Means Mary was working in yesterday at 10 o'clock. This is the action that is happening in past. Okay, and next one is to talk about an action that was in progress when a second action happened. Means past tense is used, past continuous tense is used to show an action that was in progress when that specific action happened. Okay, so for example, I was studying when the fire alarm went off. Next one is to talk about two actions that were in progress at the same time in past. Means past continuous tense is used to show two actions that was in progress in the same time in past. Okay. Next, for example, I was having a bath while my husband was cooking. Here are two actions, bath and cooking, and these are both these actions happen simultaneously. Next one is to give background information in a story. Past continuous tense is used to give any background information in any story. For example, it was getting dark. I was walking down the road when I saw a strange man. This is the background of any story. And next one is we use past continuous tense to describe a past action or a period of time. Means past continuous tense is used to describe any action where some period of time shows. For example, what were you doing yesterday at 8 o'clock? This shows period of time. And the answer, I was working all day. So this is all about past continuous tense. Next one is to describe an action that was in progress. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. Okay, means it is used to describe an action that was going on at specific time in past. For example, the farmer was working at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. This is all about past, and the action is happening, going on. Next one is to describe an action that was in progress at specific time in past. As I have already told you, it is used to describe an action that was happening, that was in progress at specific time in past. For example, this time yesterday, the hairdresser was working. Next one is to talk about two actions that were in progress at the same time in past, means simultaneous action. Both actions were in simultaneous. Uh, both these action were are happening at the same time. For example, I was having a bath while my husband was cooking. Next one is to talk about an action that was in progress when a second action happened, means it is used to describe an action that was happening and at the same time another action is also happened. So it is past continuous tense. Next one example, I was having a shower when the phone rang. These are two actions happening at the same time. Thank you so much. That's all about past continuous tense. I hope you